pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratch.
Hey guys, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a date night eye look. I have some of my makeup on already, but I do the eyes just for you and show you guys how I get this look. And I'm using Hank & Henry lashes. If you're new here, I'm Karen. I do hope that you will stay and join me for this video. It's like a teaching kind of eye tutorial video. I've been asked to do a lot of these, and I really wanted to step out of my comfort zone and do an extravagant kind of eye for you guys today. I actually put on, isn't this shirt cute? I got it at TJ Maxx. It still had the tag on it. Now, if I was getting ready and actually going on a date, I would wear this with a pair of tight leggings and I'd be good to go. I do have to say thank you to Tammy for sending me these earrings. She sent me the sweetest card, and girl, you know I love you. I'm so glad that your channel is growing. So huge shout out to Tammy, and let's get started, guys. All right, guys, so we're gonna get into this look and we're gonna do date night eyes. And we're gonna do, I think, a reddish black kind of a look tonight. So I'm going to go in with this lavish tapered blending brush into the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. And I want to go in with a transition shade, but instead of doing that, we're going to do something different. We're going to go in with Heart On, which is this red. Okay, let me see. I can move this there. Okay, so we're going to put it here. And what we're going to do is we're slowly going to blend and work this color out so it winds up higher and lighter where you would put a transition shade. We started with the most pigment right here, and we're just blowing it out. And what we can do is take a fluffier blending brush and blow it out even more. To where now I have a transition shade that's going to go along with my look. See? I'm loving it! We have that in our crease. We're going to go in with this same brush and go in Living My Best. It's like a really bright red. And we're going to put that in the crease and on the lid. And I started in the middle because that's where I want the most pigment to be. And we're just going to go back and forth until we get a nice solid color in the crease, like that. Don't worry about if it comes out here right now. We're not worried about that. We just want the crease looking fine. With the blending brush, we want to blend the edges together. Make it a nice smooth nice smooth transition. That's what I meant to say. And then we're going to go dark. We are going to do some dark in there. Cover some more of my lid. Okay, and now we want to go in with pencil brushes. These are like two of my favorite. This one is like an Ipsy or an IVY, and this one is a unique brush. And we're going to go in with Crazy from this palette. Basically, we're getting darker as we go down. And I'm going to just kind of put this on my lid, a little bit in the crease. Crazy, the color. I love it. So we've got some bright looking eyes right now. But we're about to take this look in a whole nother direction. Okay, so now we've added yet another color. I'm going to go ahead and take this brush and dive into Temptress, which is the black in here. And I'm going to go on my lash line. And I'm going to start to create the darkness going up. You should have somewhat of a vision of what type of look you want to do. I'm going to go in my waterline with the Kat Von D Cake Pencil in black. Is my favorite liner for the waterline. Here we go. It just really darkens things up, doesn't it? I'm going to take this darkness in a little bit. I'm feeling like it. I'm not sure why. I don't usually take it in that far, but I'm feeling it today. Okay, so we're going to take some setting spray on this brush I used with the black, Temptress. And we are going to go on the outer part and really make this black. Like, hello, blackness. And see how I'm going past the outer corner of my eye. We are getting started up there. See the difference? And we're going to go in with a stiffy. You guys know that's what I call this brush. And the black. I'm just kind of swiping it in there. I'm going to tap it off. And we're going to stamp the black right on the lash line. So it makes it completely dark. Okay. There we go. Okay, I use setting spray, so I'm going to let that dry. I'm loving the darkness. I want a brush for precision. This, I think, is a Morphe. There's no number on it. I am going to go into Crazy. And I'm going to do something I don't usually do. I'm going to put it in my inner corner and cover my lid. All the way. I'm going to use some setting spray so it sticks well. Crazy is like a dark, dark brown red kind of thing. Okay, let's get this bad boy all over the lid. Woo! We're going to take some browns from the original Jaclyn Hill palette. I do not know the names, but I'm mixing my pencil brush into some browns. And I'm going above into my crease. And I'm just kind of right in that crease, leaving that brown. That's all where I want it, is right in that crease. Just like that. Some more setting spray. Blend. We're going to go in and blend the brown into the other colors. With this, I think the Eye Slay kit, I'm not sure it's Morphe, but it's one of those Eye Slay, I don't know, slaying something. And basically we're going to do this until it's blended completely. This is going to give the effect of multiple colors on your eye, and it's just going to look really, really beautiful when it's done. Blend, blend, blend away. Always take your time blending. Always. Try something totally different that I haven't done probably in a long time. I'm going to take this Sigma Short Shader E20 brush. Do you see how it looks? that, and I'm going to go into Empowered from the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. Ooh, this is crumbling. Come on, I need a nice even color here. Okay, and here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to hold the brush like this, and I'm going to go across my lash line all the way to the corner, like that. Oh, you can't really see the sparkle. You can't see the fallout, though, just yet, but you will see it. We have the dark brown in here, blended out. We have the underneath the eye. We cleaned up a little bit with concealer, and I have right on the hints like an eyeliner, that really pretty like metallic shade. Normally I would use an angled brush, but this one seems to work better. It's really small and it's got precision. Going back into Empowered. So basically we're using that as an eyeliner right now. Make sure there's no excess. And I am stamping that right at the edge and pulling it up just a bit. Like that. Hopefully you guys are going to be able to see this. So there it is there on each eye. And now I'm going to go in with my black liner and do a wing. Which one do I want? The Hank and Henry? I think the Hank and Henry. Bow needs to be super steady for this. I need higher. Let's put some palettes up. Okay, that's high enough. And I'm going to start with the corner of my eye and go back. Right up to there. And I'm going to stop. Okay, now that I've got that done, I'm going to go ahead and finish off this wing and attach it to the bottom part. These are really neat tips, so they're flexible, like really easy to use, for sure. Okay, and what I want to do is extend this one just a little bit because I'm going to go over it like that. See how I've done that? There we are. Take a tiny, tiny bit of the white from the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2, Certified, and I'm in it on a pencil brush, dust it, and go right on down here. I actually think it needs setting spray. We want to create like a glow, kind of. There we go. And bring it out. See how that just has a nice soft glow to it? Put it on the top. Kind of blend that out. Ooh, horny nose. Barely touching it. Like I just want a hint of it. The Jaclyn Hill Inner Corner Highlight Brush. Go into her Flash palette. I'm gonna go in with Sparks. And highlight the brow bone. right in the middle like that. Oh, and I see where I should have tweezed a wee bit more. It's time, and I go back in with that tiny little brush and just make any touch-ups on that liner you laid down. You very well can. It is so small that you're going to get precision with that. I do want to choose an eyelash. Mascara before we get into lashes. This is what? Grand Drama Intense Thickening Mascara. I'm liking it a lot. It's made a difference in my lashes, even though I always wear false ones. But put a coat of this on. Ta-da! What do you think? You like? So that concludes my tutorial for date night eyes. I do hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I would be fixing my hair if I was actually going on a date, but I'm not. So guys, I've got that Easter contest that with Candy Jane. I think that the choosing the comment winner will be done by Sunday. So if you guys did watch my Easter video, you do have the chance to win a prize by commenting on that, and I'll put that link in here. I know that she had wanted me to mention that. And I have some unboxings coming, and I have channel memberships now. So if there's anything that I can answer for you, put that down below, and I will do my best. And I have a Boxycharm giveaway going on, and Joanne needs to get in touch with me because she won the 3K giveaway, and I do not want to have to choose somebody else. Plus, we have the winners of the Makeup for a Cause, the Infant Loss Awareness. That will be coming up this weekend. I will see you guys in my next video. I love you so much. Bye.
Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. But we fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want. Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in.